Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. To enable or disable this mod, we need to enter to developer options. So if you don't know how to enable developer option for your phone, you can check video at this channel, we have it just for your device. After you enable it, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and you need to find system. Here we go, then scroll down again, and right here, at least on stock Android, we have developer options. Enter into developer options, then you need to scroll down and find HD audio, but you can also use a search and write HD right here. And here we go, we have HD audio, but located in the developer options. Tap at this line, and to disable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. To enable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable this mod, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!